see. Look out, look out. I seen you all ago, Team Oklahoma, man. You got some.
Back pain.
Huh?
Back pain.
Back pain?
Yeah.
Already?
Oh, I was playing my niece and nephew, and they were bouncing around my back like a balance house.
Yeah, everything was good yesterday. Oh, you feeling it now?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Hey, somebody get him a Motrin. We need a Motrin, Advil. Look at you got something, don't you? Motrin or Advil. My boy hurt over here, man. He done hurt his back. Yeah, you ain't got no aspirin, Advil, Tylenol. We need some extra strength.
Nah, it's in the bag at the hotel, man.
Man, I'm gonna find you something, man. I'm gonna relocate you. I know where you at. I'm gonna find you something. Oh, they said they do use Simple Green to clean them up. I know that they were.
Well, you know, if Twan knows how to do it, I could all let him do it.
They said I'm gonna need to go up in here, y'all. They said I need to go inside. They say I need it inside. All you need is me. Dang. That's why they so fast over here. What's up with it, man? See, they do got some stuff up in there, man. Huh? Oh, for real? Smell like brake cleaning in here. Smell like some AutoZone brake cleaner. Oh, I mean O'Reilly. I told you, I knew that's what I smelled. I'm smart.
If you don't mind, since you're busy and stuff.
Yeah, I got a bunch going.
Twan, you know Twan.
I meant to say O'Reilly's because I know that smell. There go some more.
Probably not. The kids at home. Said I've never been, sir. I appreciate it.
Well, they got everything in here. Tools. Golly. Oh, they in the real cars. Arizona. Oh, they cool with Jigs and they up here at Summit. I wonder if the owner of Jig is cool with the owner of Summit. Coughlin. Jig. Dang, his name Jig. What? His name Jig. He had to go with Jigs. Golly. Golly. Look at all this stuff. Hey, look out, man. You know Jig?
He used to work for him.
Oh, you used to work for him?
Yeah. I was a clutch man for Jack for years.
For real? Ah, that's player. He was the clutch man. I didn't know he had a clutch. What, he had a stick? I don't even know how you do it. What you need, some parts, man? It's like the Matco tool truck, man. What you need, a sprocket or something? A belt? Glue? Oh yeah, we got a spark plug, man. What you need, NGK-9s? You running turbo, nitrous, or you straight motor, man? We get you some TR6s for the motor. Oh, we get you some 5s. We get you some 5s. Keep that burn real good in there, man. We get you some 5. Hey, Bubba, bring me a couple sets of TR5s. Let me see. Yeah, man. This here nice, man. It's a nice tray. Look like they extra high tech in here, man. They got extra hair blow dryers, inverters, and chassis. Is that one a rare one or something?
What?
It's been wrecked up and everything.
That's the one I'm racing with.
Oh, this one you racing? Oh, okay.
I've raced that all summer.
Okay, it's doing its thing. It's doing its job to you.
Yeah, this is its last race.
For real?
This is going to go to the Jigs headquarters in Ohio.
For real?
Yep.
Golly, man. Y'all listen. What BMF stand for in y'all term? Because I got another term for it.
It stands for what you think it
Oh,
stands
okay. Okay. Dang, so they really is some. Do y'all sell RC drag cars too?
for. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We build custom built cars. I invented and manufactured these carbon fiber wings.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Real
Ah, man. Boy, you got real carbon fiber wings on here. And they help like prevent the drag and stuff. Do it work?
Downforce.
Downforce? It pushes down on that on them back wheels real good. Golly. That's player, y'all. You can get one of these drag cars, they selling them. What do the cars start ranging at? $499? $999?
That's what I race. Ready to go with no battery, no body, $2,500.
No battery, no body, $2,500. Damn. Wow. This is a custom built though, right?
It's a 5.7 Designs chassis.
Okay.
Yeah, I invented the shock towers and the bumper. Oh, there's a lot of stuff that I made.
Yeah. So a lot of it is custom fabric. That's the starting level. If somebody want to buy something from you, they need to bring.
Well, if it's a full-blown race car like that, I mean, we can get you one down to about $1,600.
Okay, so $1,600 and up, y'all. If y'all want to interested in one of these drag cars, they got them all the way from it's all right to fully custom built, good tires. Everything will be brand new for the 25, right?
Yeah, I mean, it'll come with a set of like reactions or something like that. It won't come with voodoos.
Voodoos?
Yeah.
I ain't never heard of voodoos.
These are voodoo tires.
Oh, these voodoos? I've been hearing people talking about pro lines.
Reactions.
Oh, okay. Okay, them reactions. Okay.
Get those pretty regular. They're pretty easy to get.
So voodoo's better than pro lines? Okay, I got you.
According to me, yeah.
Okay.
I do better with them.
Okay. Well, I did see y'all running out there. I don't know if that was you. I know the big dude with the BMF shirt on.
Yeah.
He got some good control over that thing, man. I'm watching all y'all. We got the big BMF dude. One dude out of Puerto Rico. He look like he doing something. There's another dude out there with a hole in his back pocket. He doing something. And it's one from Oklahoma. He doing something. So I'm ready to see the clash between y'all.
We got something for them.
Y'all do?
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready to see. How many BMF people is it?
I've got 6 guys total.
6.
Yeah, there's just 3 of us here. I own BMF.